What is the most effed up thing you've seen a friend do? I had a friend in college who seemed like the perfect guy, an honor student, well-liked, and the son of the dean. He introduced me to a lot of people and got me into the social scene, including frat parties. He would often disappear in the middle of these parties, but I didn't think much of it. We grew close, eventually becoming best friends and even roommates. Then, things started to spiral. There was a string of incidents where people's drinks were being spiked at parties, and each week more students ended up in the hospital. One case turned tragic when a senior passed away due to a drink spiked with a dangerously high dose of drugs. The campus was in a frenzy, and the police got involved. When I asked him about it, he brushed it off, telling me to stay out of it. One day, while cleaning our dorm room, I found a gym bag full of suspicious substances. My heart sank as I began to suspect that my own friend might be the one behind the drink spikes. Not wanting to be involved, I called the police and alerted the school. The situation blew up. Someone posted it on Snapchat as the police arrived, and my friend tried to run, but his own parents turned him in. It turns out he had been spiking drinks at parties for months and had even spiked his own brother's drink, which led to the tragic death. He harmed 12 students in total and was sentenced to 30 years in prison.